She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own right. Living her. Yo, this is the current state of my hair after it refused to cooperate with the blow dry. Which type of hair is this? Hasn't it done enough? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You'll forgive my voice. I've had flu for the past 2 days, so it's a bit groggy. But I'll try my best to deliver my message. So if you watched my previous video, you'll realize that I did blow dry my hair, but it didn't turn out quite perfectly. But also there's a downside and also a good side to that, because the hair dryer doesn't heat up too hard to break off your hair, which is the best part about it. The downside is that you don't get your hair straightened, too much straightened, which is also a downside as well. So yeah, so a win is a win. No hair breakage. I really recommend the hair dryer anytime. So today I'm going to do crochet with this hair. This is called Lush hair. It has been sectioned into 8 sections. This is the upper and down part. Has also, the upper part has 4, the downer part has 4. Yeah, so I'm just going to prepare my hair and do the cornrows and start on with the crochet.
tell me on the comment, is it a hit or miss? But I really feel like this is a hit for me, but you can engage with me on the comment section. Yeah, so that will be it for today's video. I'm going to find ways to style this hair. I still haven't figured out, what style fits my face shape. So I'm going to explore that, and maybe I can come back with how to style this hair. But in the meantime, I really appreciate you guys if you watched till the end. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to show me support. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You really are the it, guys. Yeah, so till the next video, guys. Bye.